Hey tech learners, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be talking about a very simple and a very basic kind of a string method. Say for example, if you have got a string which has got the combination of upper and a lower case, or everything is in a lower case, whenever you wanted to convert every character in a string to an uppercase, then how to do that? Okay, so so let me go through an example so that makes it very easy than saying it. So for example, if I have a variable, say a, which is equals to, let me say if I take Martech learn, okay. So when I'm printing a, this is of type, we know we have used type function, right? What does type function do? It is going to give the data type of a variable, correct? So here the data type of a variable a is string. So for a string, I wanted to have every character here in an uppercase. So how to do that? In a string, there is a built-in method, okay, that is called as an upper, a dot upper. When you do this, you're going to get everything in an upper character. So every character here would be converted to an uppercase. So when I'm going to print again a, what happens? So the whatever that you had converted into an uppercase, it is not reflecting in a variable a, because we are just using an a dot upper here. So in order to reflect the result, you have to assign this whatever the methods that you are using, any string method for that matter, you have to assign it to a variable. Only then it would be reflected. Say I take another variable, say b equal to a dot upper. This is a very simple and very basic operation in string, guys. This is a very simple and basic one, which I'm talking about now. See, now if I print b, you're gonna get Martech learn. And if I print everything in an uppercase, if I print a is like whatever the raw string that we had in earlier. That is what you're gonna have. You can even use a variable a also here. It could be any variable name. It's of your requirement and the project requirement. As most of the times we never use this kind of variables. We use some of the naming convention. We follow some of the naming convention for the variables and the functions and whatever the Python objects that you're gonna declare or define, you're gonna follow the naming convention. So similarly, when you have everything, so we had in variable b here, right? So b had got everything in an uppercase. So whenever you have and every character in a string as an uppercase, or or it could be a combination of an upper and a lowercase. And if you wanted to convert that to a lowercase, in string we have got a lower, okay, lower method. So which is going to convert vice versa of the uppercase, which is going to convert all the uppercase into a lowercase characters. So even here it is not be reflected. If I'm gonna print b, you're going to get the original b value itself. So in order to get it reflected, you have to assign it to an variable. So I'm going to do that. C is equals to b dot lower. And if I print C, this is what you get. Okay, Martech learn. Everything is in, every character here is in lowercase. So so one of the question that I'm gonna speak about is, here I only have spoke about upper and lower. Say for example, I have got an alphabet like this. Now, let me have it in lowercase. So this is a string that I'm going to give you as an input, and I want all these things to be converted to the reverse of it. Say this is whatever is in small letters, that has to be in a capital letter. Whatever is in capital letter, that has to go into a small letters, now. Okay. Yeah, I want an output like this. So comment it down, like how are you going to achieve this operation? Okay, so this I'll be taking up in the next video. Let's see like how many of you can do this one. This is the one that I had discussed here was a very simple one, which is like in very like kind of in very much like in like and base kind of in basic that I had discussed about. So this is something like I would like to give as an homework. So try to do with this, and as we know that string is in very much like and most kind of in data type that we would be working on. And in string we have got multiple methods. These are the not only the two methods that we have got n number of methods. So I would be taking in all those videos would be like all those methods basically I would be taking up in another video. So that's it for today's video.